Good evening. Just about to make some dinner. I went to Tesco for some bits because we're still in that in-between period. There's nothing in the fridge. Still gonna need to do a food shop tomorrow. I'm gonna go to Meat Mart for chicken. I got 3 packs of tendons and broccoli. We are going to have some of that with our tea tonight. Got 2 fillet steaks. Then I got some peppers to go with our chicken. So that's the meal prep thing for tomorrow. This coffee, because I know you can't get it in Aldi, and that's where I'll probably do the remainder of my shopping. Baby bells are a staple in our house. Again, I probably could have got them from Aldi, but never mind. These bagels, I can't get these from Aldi, so I just got them from Tesco. We are a bit fussy when it comes to our bagels. I'm not going to lie, the Aldi ones are just not the same. We are creatures of habit, as you well know. I do already have 2 packets of bagels in, but I got extra because I'm doing 3 24-hour shifts this week. We'll probably end up running out of something. Then, these sweet potato fries, if you've never had these ones from Tesco, so nice. 16 minutes. Right, the last of the Christmas. Eating our body weight in Gillian chocolates, you know, the seashells. Lindt chocolate balls and these biscuits. Oh my god. Stefan brought some home the other week and I was like, what are them? Like, they didn't appeal to me. I don't know why. Fox's half-coated cookies, milk chocolate. Now, we would never restrict ourselves from eating things like this, especially at the weekend. Like, a cup of tea and some of this, that's our little treat. So yeah, sweet potato fries are in the oven. Get these started any minute now. All the Christmas decorations are now down. Christmas is no longer in this house. Say hi.
Hi, yeah.
We are back to normality, nice and clean in here. Well, have we made a racetrack?
Keep knocking it down, don't you?
You keep knocking it down.
Beep, beep. Yay!
Wow. Big one. Anybody who knows me knows that I am such a scaredy cat. I've just been dishing up dinner. Off your chips.
Please.
Some guys only stood at the window holding something up. Let me just show you the window. Pitch black, right? I'm dishing up dinner, putting my fried egg on my steak, and he was just stood there staring at me. Oh my god, I've never screamed so much in all my life. Well, I have, because Stefan's always frightening me to bloody death. Just normal mayo. Oh my god, my heart is in my mouth. I said to Stefan, are you expecting someone? Anyway, he'd left his tape measure on the floor outside, and the guy had picked it up and he was just stood holding the tape measure like that. He was going, I'm so sorry. Where's Mrs. there as well?
Yeah, she was laughing.
Laughing her bloody head off. Aye, she bloody will be. I'm going to be having nightmares now. Tea's gone cold now with all excitement. I will probably put some mayo on my chips. Fried egg, steak. I mean, it looks a little bit lacklustre, but very much looking forward to it. Ronnie's on his little yoghurt flakes that he keeps feeding to Dada.
Thank you, son.
It's very kind. Doesn't feed me any, but it's fine. Are they all gone? Oh, doesn't let me have any, but he'll give me the packet to get rid of. Nice one. Even though it is the 3rd of Jan, we are sat watching The Grinch. It's an all year round kind of film for us, this. Good morning. My face is frozen. Actually, Charlie's having a wee break. The temperature has absolutely dropped. It must be -50. I can't even explain to you how cold it is. You want your juice? Want some juice? No juice, right, okay. I'm getting very confused. You're giving me mixed signals here. I do love it when the weather's like this. It's gorgeous. But it is very, very cold. Ronnie is point blank refusing to wear his gloves. Pick your battles, sisters, because I can't have him screaming the place down at 9 AM on a Sunday. So, no gloves it is. That's absolutely fine. But he will regret it because it's bloody freezing. Oh my gosh. I actually started to warm up a little bit as the walk went on, but the first part of that walk I thought I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do it. My hands were so cold. But I've got about 17 layers on. My face is still frozen. Oh, but it's beautiful out there. I love it when it's like, I need to start doing like longer walks like we used to. Life's just so busy. At the weekends, it's hard to fit it all in. So sometimes a little walk around the street just have to suffice. I can't even wash the pots from this morning because we have no washing up liquid. Heading out on my way to do the food shop. I've got my little list. Trying something different this week or this year because I struggle to get organised. I find it really, really difficult. I'm not going to sit here making excuses. I can only try my best. But I am going to go to Meat Mart and get a large pack of chicken, so that, I think I actually mentioned it last night, so I was going to get a couple of packs of chicken from Tesco, but it was so expensive, so I'm going to see how much it is in Meat Mart and then just cook it all today. We might be on chicken and rice 2 times a day the next week, but we're both struggling to get the calories in, so I'm just going to try it this week and see how it is. I love my food, I love mixing stuff up, I love having a different tea every night, but sometimes it just isn't realistic for us, especially say if I'm working late in the salon, or like Summer's got drama or dance on, like we haven't got a lot of time to be cooking meals every day. Oh my god, I know I look half naked now, and to be honest, in there I was, because I did get warm. I had 2 jackets on. Oh my god, it is freezing, and it's, although I am me and Stefan have had an agreement, we're on a little bit of a spending ban. We've limited ourselves to £50 a week on luxuries. Now, what we have as luxuries these days, I don't think we realise how much of a luxury it is. The only example that is coming to my mind, although there are many examples, going for a coffee, going getting a Starbucks or whatever. It's one of my favourite pastimes. I absolutely love it. It soon mounts up, you get the gist. Cautious with our spending habits, so that is something that we are trying to implement this year. Oh, but what I do actually genuinely need, and it can come out of me £50 for this week, some thermal clothes. I am freezing, and I am not being funny. I've got Adenola jackets, and this is a Tala one, I've had it forever. Like like one of the skin. It's not warm. Not warm. I have had that on most of the morning. I had a fleece on earlier on when I went for a walk with the dog. I'm already ahead of the game, sister, because I've already had a look on ASOS, and they do actually have some really nice like thermal jackets and stuff. So I'm going to treat myself to a warm thermal long sleeve top or jacket. Anyway, I've still got tons to do. It's 1 o'clock. Let me see what else is on the agenda. Wash my hair is one of them. I know that. ChatGPT does plan my days for me. So I need to go and do the beds at the Airbnb. I need to go to Meat Mart. I need to drop a shop key off with Jamie. She'll love that. Hi Jamie, she loves a little mention. Then meal prep. So I've literally got about 2 hours. Stefan needs to go out at about 3 o'clock. So I need to be home for then. I'm going to get all my little jobs done. Once I'm home, I can wash my hair, do my meal prep. The world's my oyster basically from 3 o'clock, but I really need to crack on. So I'm at home now, and I've just been to Meat Mart and got some meat. Oh my god. Sorry girls, one sec. I do love a sports bra. It's not really appropriate for a family show. Sorry, I get so easily distracted. But they do like a 5 kilogram tub of chicken breast, but they didn't have any in, which is not good, but I did manage to get. Well, I got enough for a good few days for me and Stefan. 24 chicken breasts over 6 days. I did also get some mince from there, but it's not really doing it for me, I'll be honest. I didn't have a lot of time, so I just had to get what I could. Also, if you've never tried that spicy Cajun seasoning, you need to try it because it's really nice. I'm going to leave one out because I will be using that. I'm going to make me and Ronnie something to eat. He always gets his second wind at this time. Right, I've had something to eat, you'll be glad to know. 2 little very plain chicken wraps, but needs must, sisters, is where we're up to. 13 chicken breasts. 3 days for me and Stefan. Maybe a bit more, hopefully a bit more, because bloody hell. But I'm just steaming some broccoli now. There might not be enough there, but I'm just going to do that and then do a bit more after, and then do some rice. Honestly, it's not took me that long. It's not took me as long as I thought it was going to do, but the key is just to keep it simple. I mean, it's just chicken breast with peppers and onions. And then broccoli and rice, obviously. It might get boring by the end of the week, but we'll just see we'll just see. I also forgot to tell you where I got these little containers from. Ideally, I didn't want them with 2 compartments. I would rather it just be all as one, but that wasn't an option. Literally just from Aldi. They were $3.99 and you get 15, and I thought that was really good. Costco is another good place to get them, but obviously I wasn't at Costco today, so I just got them. I look sweatier and sweatier as this video goes on, oh my god. Truth be told, we've got more Tupperware in this house than you can wave a stick at. We've got one of them cupboards where when you open it, all the tubs and the lids fall out. None of them match. I would rather get all mishmash Tupperware and then not have enough. I thought for $3.99 it was worth it. You find them in the Aldi special buys, which I do normally avoid that aisle. Right, the broccoli is in. I've put the pan on for some pasta because I've got some prawns. I took some prawns out of the freezer this morning to have for our tea. So I'm going to do like a prawn linguine or something for our tea. So I'm going to put the pasta on. So that's done. Honestly, I've never felt so organised in all my life. I'm not hungry at all right now because I've obviously only just had them chicken wraps. But at least if I've done that, then it's done. Bless poor Ronnie. He's just in here reading a book. Oh, reading all his books, apparently. You getting all your books out? Books. Just making myself a brew now because I'm going to go and sit down for a bit because I think I deserve a minute. The rice is done. I'll be honest, I probably will never do this again. I will just buy rice in a microwavable packet. The reason that I got this one was because we wanted jasmine rice because it's really nice. It's like sticky rice, it's lovely. But Aldi didn't have any. They only had the basmati and I don't really like the basmati one from Aldi. So I thought, oh, I'll just cook it. Well, it probably wouldn't have took me as long to do these meal preps if it wasn't for the rice. It's snowing! Guys, it's snowing!
Wow.
And there we have it. 13 meals done and prepped for the week. Obviously, moving forward, I would like a little bit of variety, but I just thought bringing it back to basics. One recommendation I would do for myself for next week and also for you if you're going to meal prep too, Sunday morning. Definitely get it done Sunday morning. If I'd have had all the chicken and everything I needed, I could have started that this morning and then I wouldn't have been doing it at 8:20 at night. Also, wouldn't recommend boiling your own rice. What a faff. It's all a learning curve, but I'm so glad I've done that now. So now I need to go and have a shower and wash my hair. That time has arrived. Girls, I can't actually turn the camera around because, well, so I actually don't want to style my hair tomorrow morning, so I'm trying these sock curls. I will let you know how I get on. Do you need the remote? So we've just sat down. It's probably gone 10 o'clock now, isn't it? Oh, sorry.
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock on the dot. So we're going to sit and have our brew and our seashells and watch a little bit more of Runaway. Ronnie was watching The Grinch earlier on. But yeah, so far so good. It's really good, this Runaway, isn't it? I'm really enjoying it.